Hey, notice that the term AI has been troubling the developers for some time, right? So AI is everywhere. You see AI, you use AI even without realizing it. You also have seen the news about layoffs, automation. Is it not creating a fear in us? Yes, of course. I have talked to a few of my friends, colleagues, and they are like developers, managers, and even directors. They also reflect the same thing, but they are jokingly say that, thank God I have a job, without realizing, without understanding the seriousness. But this is not permanent, right? Like the layoffs happen to others, it could be you or me very soon. I'm not scaring you. It is a fact. But here is the truth. We cannot blame AI, right? So because every 10 years, every decade, the industry evolves. First the dot-com boom, then the internet boom, then the cloud and mobile app, and then microservices and DevOps, and now it is AI term. Change is constant. So we cannot do anything about it. So the only thing is that we have to adapt new technologies. So what to do? So even further delay, we will start learning AI from today, even from right this moment, from right now. But how to do that? Many people even that don't know how to start from, where to start from. That's why I'm creating this AI video series. So relax, just chill. Here is my plan. So every day I'm going to pick up 2 essential AI terms, then I'm going to explain you in just 30 seconds in simple manner. Okay, right? No confusion, no overloading, no complications, and also I'm going to explain in simple terms with the real use cases. Once you understand the AI terms, then you can deep dive later. So why to wait? Start your AI journey from now. The first and foremost essential term everyone should know is the term itself, AI. So it is artificial intelligence, like whatever you see today, like creating the video, recognizing the voices, images, ChatGPT, Claude, agentic AI, everything comes under this broader term. Like when you watch the YouTube videos for certain songs, for a particular type of songs, and the YouTube recommends you similar songs. So AI. So ChatGPT answers your question, AI. So video creating is AI. So term number 2, machine learning. Yes, machines learn like a human, but we don't teach machines line by line. Instead of that, the machines learn from the data. The machines learn the patterns from the data. So we give a large set of data for the machine to recognize the patterns. So for example, you feed, you enter, you upload hundreds of your photos into the machine program, to the machine language, and then it understands, it recognizes, right, your patterns. Okay, so next time when you upload your photo, then it understands, recognizes it is you. But you have to be extremely expert, good at mathematics for writing machine learning programs. But don't worry now, you can do that later. And then the use case of machine learning is the email filtering the spam, or the program that generates the image that recognizes your face, the program that recognizes your voice. So these are machine learning programs. So the next term is deep learning, advanced machine learning. It uses layered neural networks, but you don't need to worry about this technology. Okay, say for example, the deep learning, it uses your mobile phone, face unlock in mobile, uses deep learning. So in deep learning, it has 3 layers: the input layer, hidden layer, and the output layer. So input layer contains raw data, the pixel images, and the hidden layer, it detects the edges, shapes, and the facial features. And in the output layer, so the output layer, the final prediction, like who is the person. Okay, say for example, it is used in autonomous self-driving cars because it detects lanes, pedestrians, and the traffic lights. So for making the real-time decisions, driving decisions, because it has to know when to apply brake, when to apply the accelerator. It uses advanced technologies like a CNN and the sensor functions like a camera, LiDAR for obstacle detection and automatic braking. Next term is neural network. So we know, right? So AI is inspired by human brain. So we, the humans, have natural brains. So brains have neurons, right? Interconnected neurons for thinking, analysis, etc. The same way in AI also we have neurons, but that is not natural. It has interconnected artificial neurons for analyzing, recognizing the patterns from the data. So you feed more data, you give more examples, then the results will be more accurate. Like humans learn from the experience, and similarly the machines learn from the data. So next term is LLM, so large language models. Yeah, so today we have different AI models for doing so many activities. Like you want to generate a story, we have a LLM. So if you want the AI to write a code, we have the LLM. Okay, right? We have a model like GPT. Chat GPT uses a GPT as a model for answering the questions, and a Claude, right? Opus for generating the code. Gemini. So these are like large language models. We have models for doing separate activities like language translations and generating the stories, creating the movies. So these are called models. So these models are trained with a massive amount of text data and data, right, to think like human brains. So LLM, large language model. You have heard about Gen AI, but what is Gen UI? It is something new. It's a next game changer in the AI content generation world. Yes, it is going to completely change your perception about how AI generates the contents behind the scene. This concept is going to blow your mind. Let's get straight to the point. Open ChatGPT and just type this prompt, explain LLM. You got the response that is in a simple text format. Now try this prompt. What is the temperature in Bangalore? Now see that. So this time it didn't only give the response, but also in the beautiful UI format, where the user can interact, select the days on which you want to see the temperature. So this is what the Gen UI is all about. The beast in the AI generation world, the next game changer. So next term is prompt. The input you give to AI, like write a Java program, is a prompt. Tell me a story, is a prompt. So give me a poem on this topic, is a prompt. Next term is prompt engineering. Yes, we have a separate course on prompt engineering. It discusses about good prompt and bad prompts and the best practices to follow, because AI doesn't make mistakes, right? So if you enter a good prompt, it gives a better answer. So bad prompt leads to bad answer. Here is a bad prompt. Tell me about Japan. AI doesn't have any idea. It's just like a generic question. It's a bad prompt. This prompt can be improved like this. I am planning a 7-day trip to Japan with a budget of $7,000. So suggest an itinerary covering Tokyo and Kyoto, including local food and must visit places, and also suggest me some places. Right, so this is a good prompt. So you immediately understand your context, and then it gives you the better results. So good prompt, good results. Bad prompt, bad result. So this is called prompt engineering.